In this video, I will show you how to set up Claude Code in Windows. So for this, at first you will open a browser and here you will simply search Claude Code. Then at the first results, this is the official website of Claude.com. So go there and now you can see you are on the Claude Code page. Here you get all the details you need about Claude Code. Okay. So if you want to use Claude Code for free, you can simply just download it from here. If you are using Windows, you can click download for Windows and now save it on your drive. Let me save it here. So you can see it's very fast and already downloaded. Now we will install it. Simply click here and now you can see Claude is here. Double click here and right now you can see downloading Claude. It takes few seconds to complete the whole process. We'll have to wait until it's completed. When it's done, you will see something like this, Claude for Windows. You will click Get Started and now you will have to sign up with your Claude account. It don't necessarily need a Claude Pro account to sign in. Simply just continue with Google and log into your Claude AI account. Open in Claude and now you can see it's available here. So this is Home tab. And right now, if you want to use Claude Code, you can just shift to the code. So here you can just select any project directory from your PC and then start coding from here. Okay, this is how you can download Claude Code in Windows, but it doesn't guarantee you can use terminal access. So if you open terminal or simply PowerShell and command Claude, it will not work. So if you want to use Claude Code in terminal, what you will have to do? Look, here you can see, if you scroll a little bit, terminal option, you will go there and to install Claude Code, you will have to copy this. So you can use Windows PowerShell or Windows CMD. Just pick one you would like to use. I will copy this on. Then from here, we'll search Windows PowerShell. And now simply paste the command and press enter. It will start installing within a few seconds. So you will have to wait until it's completed. You can see installing Claude Code native build latest. Claude Code successfully installed, but here is a setup note. You will have to add this to your path. So for this, you will go to environment variables, edit your path, and then add path above. Okay, let me show you how you can do that. You will simply copy this portion. Now you will search system environment. So here you can see edit system environment variables. So you will see something like this type of pop-up. Let me close everything so that you can just see it properly. Okay, here you will click environment variables. Now here is your system environment. We'll simply choose this path and then edit path. Here we will simply click this add new path and we'll paste our path here. So this is something like this. Here you will have your own name, then dot local /bin. Simply click OK and OK. So simply it's done. And if you want to see if Claude is working or not, what you can do? I will go to E drive and now we will choose any project from here. For example, for this we will open Claude tutorial and let me open it on terminal. So you can see I am on Claude tutorial directory. Here we'll launch Claude Code. Okay, so simply type Claude here. Let me press enter. Now you will see this type of interface. You will simply choose a theme for your Claude. We will go with the default dark theme. Then here to use Claude, you need to have a Claude Pro Max Team or Enterprise subscription, or if you have a console account, you can use that. Or even if you want to use it with third-party platform, there is available Amazon Bedrock, Microsoft Foundry, and Vertex AI. So as I have Claude Pro subscription, so I will go with the first option. Now you can see it redirect to here. We'll have to log in. Now continue. Finally, we will authorize it. Okay, if everything done, you will back it here and you see login successful. Press enter to continue. Now here is a security note. Claude can make mistakes, so you will have to be aware about it. Let me press enter and you will see the Claude interface. Now you can use Claude from here. We'll say hi and let me press enter. You can see it's working. If you try to generate code, you can do that. If you want to use any other stuff, building your projects or anything, you can use it here. Even you can use Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code. If you need that tutorial, just leave a comment. I will provide a video how to use Claude Code in Visual Studio Code.